Hi everybody.
Hello.
This is oh hi.
Hi.
My name is Yair Greenberg. I'm the owner of Yafa Brands, we call it now, and among the brands is naturally Private Reserve. Next to me is Kat.
Hi.
Kat is is our project manager, and she's in charge of all new projects that we do here. A lot of help with the inks, so she's an expert on inks. And what we are doing today is
Infinity.
talking about Infinity. This is a big deal, everybody. I just wanted to say that, in my opinion, introducing the Private Reserve Infinity idea with new inks is a game changer for this pen industry, because theoretically you can have a cap off fountain pen that's forever. In other words, a lot of people are asking me, what do you mean by infinity? So I want to explain the infinity part right off the bat. If you write with a pen and you continue writing with it, and let's say you put it down, and you come back a few hours later and you write with it again, then theoretically, if you keep on writing intermittently, then you can have the cap off forever. Now, we tested this ink with the pen being uncapped or capless for many hours, even a couple of days, and it worked okay. The ink flow was immediately there. The maximum we had to do sometimes is maybe just tap it a little bit, and it started to write beautiful. So when we call it Infinity, again, I would like to just stress, it's not like you can leave it cap off and go away for how long? A year?
Yeah.
Yeah, years. So that's not the point. You have to write with it, put it down, go away for a few hours, come back, it will continue to write. So that's for a lot of people that don't like to put the cap on and off all the time. So that's why we call it capless. The ink is available in a 60 ml bottle. How many colors?
6.
6 colors. And there are
Black, blue, turquoise, violet, red, green.
and green. Okay, fantastic. They all come in our famous Private Reserve luxury bottle, 60 ml. It has the infinity sign on the bottle here, and we also have it on the box. The infinity sign is here. And I highly recommend for those of you who don't like to put the cap on and off all day long, and you would like something new and different that can keep the pen open, then the Infinity is the only ink in the world that does it. We are the only company that does it. We developed it from zero, and it took us many years, by the way, to develop this formula. This was not like overnight, and Kat and I were testing it for years, virtually years, to test that it works. And so now we are so excited that finally it works. It's fantastic,
And we also want to actually hear from people who use it, their actual review, what they think, how long they can keep it uncapped.
Yes.
And what's the best color they actually like.
You like? Okay, fantastic. We would like to hear from customers anyhow. We work very hard here to develop new colors and new ideas. So yeah, we would like to hear from everybody. Please send us your comments. And until next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.